Dali. Ale.
Kailangan mo nang magmadali kasi aali ka na.
Morning, guys. We just left Roma Termini Station on our way to Positano. So we have to ride this train to Salerno Station. Finally in Roma Termini. As you can see, guys, nagharap ko na yung backpack ko because I have bad experience here with pickpockets. Para namang nakuha sa akin. Good thing. We're gonna book our tickets. There are so many shops here. When we got inside, we got to see agad yung mga food shops nila. And now, they're closed. So, parang kaming nasa SM. Medyo mainit na dito sa loob. And talagang kailangan mo siyang daanan. There are food shops and their mall to get to your terminal or ticket center. Or no, wala lang kami. But you can see the train on the other side. So it's here. Take your number. Next day departures. R273 and R264 na at counter 12. Airbnb at Roma Sogno comes with a free breakfast for two, so just exchange these coupons here at Bar Cotini. Malapit siya dito sa church. Balik na kami. Going to Roma Termini. Kahit sila dito, magpapatawid sila. Andating na other sa Napoli 10:32 sa Salerno. Coach number 7 and we're 6. So dito kami 6. The train. May kaharap kami. And then meron siyang curtain that you can pull down. Like that. There's a table na pwede mong buksan. So you can open this like that. They also have a socket to charge your phone, trash can, and dropped off here in Salerno Station. Yun, pababa sa 5. We're going to head down to the bus. So we're here in Salerno and we're looking for the Sika bus. central station nila. And we found the bus stop. Fermata City.
Dito to, may Amalfi.
Hanap namin kung
Anong oras ba? 10:30.
anong oras.
11
Daan
o'clock.
ba ng ano yan?
Amalfi.
Positano? Or sa Amalfi siguro lilipat tayo. Ayan o.
10 o'clock,
Wait.
Amalfi. Ay, 11.
No?
11.
So, abot tayo sa 11.
Anong oras ba? 10:30.
We're in the city of town pala of Amalfi. So nice here. Hello, we're back. We decided na we'll just go around here in Amalfi kasi the ferry boat going to Positano Travel Mart is closed and they will resume on April pa. So, there's another way pa naman, the bus. It takes another 1 hour and we won't make it back because our bus leaves at 5 p.m. going to Roma Termini. Kaya, we'll just spend the day here in Amalfi. But it's super nice here. Yan.
Magandang spot dito.
So, dito na lang muna kami.
Sorry, parang meron din naman